Hey everybody, it's What's Up with Giancarlo. We're rocking with topic 8, lesson 4 today, solve problems involving area of a circle. I can solve problems involving the area of a circle. Last lesson we went over circumference. The circumference is the perimeter of a circle. That's the outside, the line. The outside of the circle is the actual circle. Okay? This lesson, we're going over the area, everything inside the circle, the amount inside the circle, okay? Just as a little reference back to last lesson, circumference formula, C stands for circumference, equals pi d. Pi is 3.14, or if there's a fraction, 22/7. D is diameter, okay? We all know diameter. It's the center's right there. It's when a line passes through the center and it goes all the way through. That is diameter. Okay? So it's pi times diameter. Whatever the diameter is times 3.14, that is the circumference. And then we have circumference equals 2 pi r. Pi. And r is radius. We should know what radius is. That's the center right there. Radius is from the center to just the circumference, the edge. Alright? Radius. So we should know circumference formula. If they give us the diameter, we use this one. If they give us the radius, we use this one. We all know pi. What we are learning today is area of a circle. Okay? Here's the formula for area of a circle. A equals pi r squared. Pi, 3.14, times the radius, whatever that is, squared. So we do the radius squared, so it's radius times radius, and then we multiply by 3.14. Okay? Go ahead, pause the video, write this down. Alright, you should have this written down now. Let's move on. So, these both are the exact same type of questions, so they're both example ones. So just take your time. Please listen to the video, and then you can pause it to write everything down. Okay? Listen and learn, then copy down. So example 1, solve problems involving the area of a circle. Step 1, write the formula. Step 2, plug in the numbers. Step 3, solve. Those are 3 very important steps. Very, very important steps. Okay? We see our circle. We see the radius is 18 feet. Step 1, write the formula. A equals pi r squared. That is our formula. We wrote it down. Step 2, plug in the numbers. Okay, A equals, what is pi? 3.14. What is the radius? 18, and it is squared. So now, step 3, we can start solving. 18 squared is 324. 3.14 times 324 is 1017.36. Listen to me. If you don't see a plus sign, a subtraction sign, or a division sign, that means they're multiplying. These two are multiplying right here, okay? The area of the circle is 1017.36 feet squared. Area is always the measurement squared, okay? Always. If you have any questions, get in the comments. We have another circle. They don't tell us it's R, but we know it's from the center to the circumference, so this 11 is the radius, okay? Step 1, write the formula. A equals pi r squared. Step 2, plug in the numbers. So pi is 3.14. The radius is 11, and it's squared, okay? Step 3, solve. 11 squared is 121. 3.14 times 121 is 379.94. Okay? once we know our formula and once we plug in our numbers, it is basic math. We are just solving basic math, okay? Now's your time to pause the video and copy everything down, okay? Okay, you should have it written down now. If you have any questions on either of these two examples, on either problem, please write in the comments. Example 2, find the area of a circle given the diameter, D. 64 inches is the diameter. You see it go from one side through the center all the way to the other side. And they tell you it's D. We do not have an area formula for a circle that uses diameter. We must use radius. So if radius is half the size of a diameter, what do we do to find the radius from a diameter? To find the radius, divide the diameter by 2. So we take this 64 and divide it by 2. We find out that 32 inches is our R. It's our radius, okay? Now we have everything we need to solve for the area of the circle. Step 1, write the formula. A equals pi r squared. Step 2, plug in the numbers. Pi is 3.14. The radius, we figured out, is 32, and it's squared. Step 3, solve. 32 squared is 1,024. 3.14 times 1,024 is 3,215.36. Okay? There's nothing really else to explain. It's that simple. You write your formula. You plug in the numbers. You solve. Bada bing, bada boom. It's over. Okay? If you have any questions, get in the comments. Alright? Pause the video. Write down the notes. Alright. That is the video. Lesson's over. Remember, get in the comments if you have any questions. That's it for this time. Remember, if you're watching this video, you're part of the class. See you next time, everybody.